Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. It is a very difficult thing to build up trade connections, but it is a quite easy thing to destroy them. Stop. Rightly or wrongly, for purely accidental reasons or by historical developments, it so happens today that most of our trade connections are with the countries in the Stirling area, and I think it would be a mistake from the point of view of our own interests to do anything which will destroy these long-standing trade connections which are of very great help to us. Stop. What we might do in order to achieve the kind of objective that honorable members have in mind is not to reduce or to destroy the trade connections which we have in the Stirling area, but to build up new connections in other areas so that the existing trade connections that we have in the Stirling area would not be so large a proportion of our total foreign trade. Stop. That is really the direction in which we ought to move. Stanza. There is one other point I want to raise. Stop. That is a point which Mr. Munshi mentioned, that the circumstance which seems to stand in the way of increasing production in the country of helping progress on saving and investment is the way in which the income tax administration of the country is doing its job. Stop. I have been in very close touch with the subject because of representations I have had from various quarters, and my own feeling is that the officers of our income tax department, engaged as they are in an extremely thankless job, are trying to do their best in order to bring about a better tradition in this matter. Stanza. I have for some time felt that one of the difficulties of our income tax administration is that we have been not yet been able to establish anything like a satisfactory liaison between the income tax administration and the public with whom that administration deals. Stop. In other countries, I think there has been a great deal of development by research in the matter of cultivating satisfactory relations between those who collect income tax and those who pay it. Stop. It is one of my objects at present in regard to the question of income tax that we should have some kind of organization which will give our officers in the income tax department the right attitude with regard to the question of dealing with the public. Full stop. Over.